What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, talking today about Foothills Exploration Inc., stock symbol FTXP. This is an oil and gas company. If you've been following along on Twitter or just looking for hot stocks right now, this one is up almost 100% today. They've doubled up, and I was trying to figure out what is the major news catalyst. And so I guess there was a webinar today, and the company did confirm that they do have an estimated 18 million barrels of oil sitting on 17 acres of 100% untouched land, just sitting there waiting to be collected. It has an estimated value of over $900 million, of which $274 million is profit. They took questions at the end and do not have any intentions of a reverse split at this time. They also confirmed that their goal is to be Pink Sheets current by June 2021. So that is a little bit of a red flag that they are not currently Pink current. So they could get halted by the SEC. I know that the SEC has been cracking down on halting stocks that are not Pink current and have a lot of buzz on social media. So just beware of that if you want to load up on this. So this is their latest press release from March 30th. Basically, they get into their upcoming projects, of which we touched on earlier. Basically, I'll read just a little bit. So Foothills Exploration Inc. is an oil and gas exploration company. The company's principal asset, located in the Wind River Basin, Wyoming, consists of 16,000 acres of highly prospective development acreage. The company's initiative is to generate high-impact exploration projects focused on natural gas. For additional information, please visit the company's website at foothillspetro.com. Their forward-looking statements: embracing the energy transition to stay competitive in the new normal. Current data indicates global demand for oil and natural gas will continue beyond 2050, albeit a number of carbon emissions reduction targets and mandates have been developed globally. Key U.S. states like California and New York have developed stated emissions reductions targets to fall in line with the Paris Agreement by 2050. The Biden administration has also once again signed the Paris Agreement on behalf of the United States, and federal emission reductions targets are currently being developed. The company aims to capitalize on the evolving landscape of energy policy and take part of the strong growth outlook for the future of zero carbon emissions project and clean energy tech, said Kevin J. Silla, the company's chief executive chairman. New energy ventures will focus on the transformative energy sources and disruptive oil field clean technologies. We are not abandoning our core principles, but instead expanding our horizons and building greater platform and robust foundation to create shareholder value, continued Silla. I found this little bit of intel from today. So Shao 1432 writes, FXP, this is the reason why I originally bought this stock, and it is from Investors Hub, one of their boards there, and it says, I believe FTXP board of directors is the Beijing Gas Blue Sky Limited leadership. Beijing Blue Sky Gas, who owns 32% or 1 billion shares of voting power in FTXP, is excited about this prospective exploration project, where a third-party engineering firm issued an assessment that indicates prospective resources of approximately 21 million barrels of undiscovered oil, with a potential value or PV10 value of 372 million after risk. For further details, please refer to the company's current report filed Form 8K on January 17th, 2020. That is basically all I've been able to find on this company that with any legitimacy. People really seem to be into this one for now. I mean, their report says they found oil, but I mean, who the hell knows? 18 million barrels of oil is their estimate, and who knows if they'll be able to extract that profitably and then refine it. Small on this one. I mean, this share price is only a penny, so you could get away with a lot of shares for, under $1,000. But I would not stake a significant part of my portfolio on this. That's just my gut feeling, or I would at least wait till they're pink current. Again, as always, I will continue to provide more updates as I find them, but this is just a quick video on Foothills Exploration. Stay tuned for more updates.